Hello students, good morning. Standard 6, subject honeysuckle. Chapter 3, Taro's rewards. चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करेंगे हम दूसरे वीडियो में. अभी आपको इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में जो मैं टेक्स्ट बुक की एक्सरसाइज करा रही हूँ वो आपको पहले लिखते नहीं है. अभी जो दूसरा वीडियो होगा उसमें हम चैप्टर एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे. ओके. वर्किंग विद द टेक्स्ट, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. Why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? Taro ran in the direction of the stream because he wanted to quench his thirst. How did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking shake? Taro's father showed his happiness after drinking the shake by dancing. Why did the waterfall give Taro shake and the others water? Taro was a thoughtful son. He wanted to serve his parents, but the others were greedy. Hence the waterfall gave shake to Taro and just cold water to others. Why did the villagers want to drown Taro? The villagers wanted to drown Taro as they thought that he had tricked them. देख लो. Why did the empire reward Taro? The empire rewarded Taro for his. पहले इतना बराबर ध्यान से देख के लिखो. Okay. Kindness and goodness. The empire wanted to encourage all children to respect and obey their parents. Mark the right items. Taro earned very little money because the price of the wood was very low. Taro decided to earn extra money because to buy his old father some shake. The neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because she wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. Okay. The next, working with language. Strike off the words in the box below that are not suitable. Sorry. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was आंसर में क्या लिखना है? ऑनेस्ट एंड ट्रस्टवर्थी. ट्रस्टवर्थी. This made Taro sadder than ever. This refers to
Om Namah Shivaya.
Taro's inability to buy expensive shake for his father. This said the empire was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents, rewarding Taro with 20 pieces of gold and giving the foundation his name. Arrange the words below in pairs that rhyming. एग्जाम्पल हमें दिया ही है यंग अनमनी का. यंग लंग, मनी सनी, ये सब दिए, उसके हमें सेट करनी है. सेट बैट चोप स्टॉप. लास्ट फास्ट. वैक्स एक्स. कुड वुड. Sound round. Way day. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Fill in the blanks दिए. A young woodcutter lived on lonely hillside. He was a thoughtful son who worked hard but earned little money. One day he saw a beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it delicious. After find these sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. This made Taro's blank than ever sadder. He decided to work blank than before harder. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed blank than usual. Earlier, he began to chop even faster. Next morning, Taro started for work even blank than the morning before. Earlier. Okay. Next is speaking the following sentences clearly but as quickly as you can learn them by heart. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood? And second, Betty bought a bit of butter but the bite of butter was a little bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter. अपने आप आपको पढ़ना है. फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स टू डू. ओके, ये आपको खुद ऐसे पढ़ना है, सिर्फ लर्न डे बाय हार्ट. उसके बाद सेकंड नंबर का है द स्टोरी टैरो रिवर्ड शोज दैट टैरो इज थॉटफुल, hardworking and also wise. Read aloud the part of story that show these qualities in Taro. Taro is a thoughtful, hardworking and a wise person. These qualities can be seen in this line in the following paragraph. Paragraph 1. Thought he worked very hard, but he earned very little money. For he was thoughtful soon and wanted to give his old parents evening they needed. Paragraph 3. How do I earn more money? He asked himself, how do I get a little shake for my poor old father? He decided to work harder than before. टेक्स्ट बुक का सारा हमें इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में लिखना है. Paragraph 4. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. He began to chop even faster, thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the shake to warm the old man's bones. But Taro had been wise enough to sleep behind a rock when he saw how things were going. To the thoughtful son, the magic waterfall gave the delicious shake. उसके बाद दिया लाइक द पैट्रिस इन द स्टोरी हु डिड पैट्रिक्स होमवर्क. तारो इज हेल्प बाय मैजिक. डू यू बिलीव इन मैजिक? व्हाट आर द मैजिकल थिंग्स दैट हैपन इन दिस स्टोरीज? I do not believe in magic as it is only after you work towards getting something that you will be able to achieve it. In the story Who Did Patrick's Homework, one of the characters was an elf. He was too small. We do not hear of elves in the real world anymore. In the story Taro's Reward, we read of the magic stream behind the rocks. Since Taro was an honest and a thoughtful son, the liquid turned sick for him, whereas for everyone else the liquid reminding cold water. This too is unheard of in the real world. Okay, next, which story do you like better and why? Do you know such stories in other languages? Discuss this question in class. Both the stories have a moral. We learn the importance of hard work from both these stories. Patrick earns the admirations of all when he gets a boost in his grades after he works hard to complete his homework. This changes his attitude towards his work. Taro's hard work and his thoughtful nature towards his parents make him an inspiration for other children. Hence, I like both the stories equally. There are many such stories in different languages. Most of these stories teach us valuable life lessons. Now write a paragraph or two about these two stories. Compare them. Patrick's story is about a boy in today's times. Various Taro is character from a story which took place long ago. Patrick's was not hardworking in the beginning. Various Taro character is shown to be hardworking right from the beginning. In Patrick's stories, it was his hard work that earned him the appreciations of everyone around him. There was no magic. In fact, their help was Patrick's inspiration's person field. It was Patrick's who did all the work. However, in the story Taro's River, we do see magic in the form of the stream that gave shade to Taro. Listen to these children. What are they talking about? First child, I think swimming is more difficult than driving. This child is expressing his view that he finds swimming to be more difficult than driving. Second child, I think it is much less difficult. The second child disagrees with the first child and feels that driving is not more difficult than swimming. Third child, anyhow, neither of them is as difficult as learning English. This child feels that neither swimming nor driving is as difficult as learning English. Okay. Working group come to some agreement on each the activities given below. Decide which is the most interesting, dullest, most dangerous, safest, most rewarding, most exciting. Please note, the answer to the above mentioned question would vary from students to study. Mentioned below is just one way of the writing the answer. Most interesting, playing football, painting, walking. The dullest, sewing, knitting and fishing. Most dangerous, mountain climbing. Safest, stamp collection, watching TV, listening to music. Most rewarding, dancing, swimming, reading, cooking. And most exciting, learning language. Okay. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, चैप्टर 3 की टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज हो चुकी है। चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन अभी होगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। क्लियर? ये सब आपको इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में लिखना है। ओके बाय।